Woo! No, it's hot. It's coming. It's hot. Clean. I'll throw you a rope.
Around my waist, and then you're just like, hang on, honey.
Ready?
Mm-hmm. How do I do this?
I'll do it.
Oh.
Turn it down.
Turn it down like that.
The sharp edge.
Okay. Oh no! Oh, honey. You okay?
So here's my love letter, entrusted to the weather, right across the way.
Checkmate. Winner!
Dang it! How did that happen?
Like country cooking.
Or French cooking.
Yeah.
Garlic.
Got it?
chili. A little bit more. There you go. Yeah. Yeah.
So special.
There you go.
Ready?
Wow, looking good. Awesome. For you. For me.
Cheers, love.
Cheers.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. You just did it. Here's the rain.
So here's my love letter, entrusted to the weather. I ride across the waves and float through the clouds. Yeah, when it's delivered, do what you